Wow, Malak, so you have studios to 3 bedrooms, right?
Exactly.
And you said off camera that 3 beds, majority of them on the same floor as the kids' amenity
Exactly.
floor.
Yes, because the amenities for the kids are on the podium floor.
Okay.
You have a swimming pool for the kids. You have a seating area for the family to watch over their kids, and a playing area.
And we have tennis courts and everything here, squash
Exactly.
court, whatever. So,
Yes.
so I assume the rooftop is for
Exactly.
the adults.
For the
What do we
adults.
have there?
You have a swimming pool, you have a cinema, and you have a gym.
Okay, and the spa area must be there as well.
Yes, exactly.
Wow,
Spa,
okay.
sauna.
Okay, amazing. So we got floor to ceiling windows, balconies. Wait a minute. And the location you said off camera again was JVT, right?
Yes, exactly.
Meaning one of these sides going to get the full skyline views of JLT and Marina for that beautiful pink sunset.
Definitely.
And that would be that
This
way,
is
right?
the side,
Oh,
yes.
amazing. Incredible views. Malak, I'm loving the amenities, the fact that it's segregated between children and adults. I'm loving it.
By the way, Bardia, we have a mall within 500 meters.
Oh, really? Okay, now payment plan. Tell me about payment plan.
It's amazing.
Okay.
70% during construction and 30% post handover over 3 years.
3 years post
Less
payment
than
plan.
1% monthly.
Okay, amazing. Now the question is, what is the damage?
As of today's stock, it's 736,000 dirham.
As of today's stock, of
Yes.
course. Limitations. I'm really looking forward to it. Thank you so much for
You're
showing me.
most
Thank you
welcome.
so much.